second occasion today. I'm not exactly sure. There's like a cake out there, and I'm not exactly sure if like the numbers are misplaced or what. It says 89. I don't know if it's supposed to be 68. So, but you know, it is what it is. Okay.
The man of the
hour.